Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add page number in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly, in this video I will show that add page number. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the page number option. Now for click. Then choose a page number style. Firstly, top of page, bottom page, and page margin. Now click on the top, then style. Now I select from the first play number option. That's it. Then I show at page number is the all page. Page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, page number 4. That's it. Then show the add page number. That is. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for